In this video, we will learn how to reset MySQL password on Windows 11. Let us start. So I already installed MySQL, but let's say I forgot my password. So how to reset it? Let's see. Go to start, type services. Here services is visible. Click open. After clicking open, here just type M, and now here MySQL 80 is visible, which is running. We need to stop it. Right click and click stop. Now it will stop. Let's wait. Now it is completely stopped. When you'll right click here again, it is showing start. That means we already stopped it. Okay. Minimize. Now let us go to any drive. Let's say I'll go to D drive. Here I'll create a file. Right click and click new and then select the text document. I'll name it MySQL -init. That's it. If you're not getting the .txt extension, you need to go to view, then show, and then select file name extensions. Okay. So we have created a new txt file. Right click and open it with Notepad or Notepad++. Okay, like this. Many people still don't have Notepad++, so click edit in Notepad. Now since we need to update our password, we will type the command alter user. So our default user was root. Type root @ localhost identified by. Now enter your new password. Okay, let's say my new password is the following for demo. Now just go to file and save it. Close this. Now go to CMD. Go to start, type CMD. Click run as administrator. Now here type CD and then double quotes. After that go to the path where we installed MySQL. It was in C drive. Program files. Go below MySQL Server 8.0 bin. Copy this path. Now go to CMD and within your path just right click, and after right clicking it will paste as shown here. Press enter. After that minimize this. Go to C drive. Here under C drive you need to search the program data folder. It's visible here, but this was hidden, so I just enabled it by clicking view, show, and then hidden items. Okay, if I'll click it again it will hide the program data folder, but you can enable it like this: view, show, then hidden items. Now go to program data, which was a hidden folder. Under this go to MySQL. Go to MySQL Server 8.0. My.ini is visible. Okay, you need to copy this path. Right click and select copy as path. Okay. Now minimize this. Go to your CMD. Type MySQL D --defaults -file is equal to, paste the path you just copied. Right click and it will paste. Okay, we have pasted it, but we have added an additional quote here, so I'll just remove it and I'll also add double slash like this. Remove the double quotes. Now this looks fine. After my.ini you need to type -init -file. Then you need to paste the file path, that is the following path. That was our new MySQL init file. Right click, copy as path. Okay. Now after file, press is equal to, right click and it will paste the same path. Remove the quotes and then press enter. Now minimize this. Now right click and go to task manager. Now here Windows command processor is visible. Okay, under task manager right click and select end task. Now minimize. Go to start, type services. Click open. From here, type MySQL and the following is visible. That is here. Right click and select start. Now go to start. We have successfully changed the password. Go to start, type CMD. Click open. Now here type MySQL -u. U was user. That is, it was root. -p was for password. So press enter after that. Enter the new password and press enter. This shows that we successfully changed our password. Now for a free MySQL tutorial, refer to the link in the description of the video. Thank you for watching.